Megan, 5 minutes. Okay, page 71. Last lesson, I tried to start, then we didn't have time to finish. So, I think better to start again because, like I said, this question is important. 5 minutes. So, stand until 11:40. Okay. Kelvin and Daniel go cycling together. So the cycling distance is 100 kilometers. This one quite easily can tell already. Kelvin's speed is x. Daniel's speed is 5 slower than Locker. Go. Kelvin's speed is x. Daniel is 5 slower. You all will stand until 11:42. Okay, is it? Oh. Back is here doesn't mean anything. I need you here. Your back cannot learn for you. Okay, go take your book. But Chang Yao never come in just now. So Chang Yao stand until 11:42. Don't bargain like a market auntie. Okay, so they straight away tell you Kelvin's speed is x. They never directly tell you, but you must be able to write down Daniel's speed. Daniel's speed is 5 slower than Kelvin. So for speed, bigger number means faster. So Naim, 11:44. What? Mr. Fawaz. You are Mr. Lim lah, right? Mr. Lee. Okay, later I'll check with Mr. Fawaz. Okay, so Daniel's speed is 5 slower. So from here, you must be able to write down Daniel's speed is x minus 5. Because he is 5 slower than Kelvin. Hey, you stand up, still want to talk here? No. You already late, disappeared for so long. 71. Okay. For part A, they are asking you the time taken by Kelvin. So time is always distance divided by speed. So the distance traveled by Kelvin is 100 kilometers. The speed of Kelvin is x. So the time taken by Kelvin is 100 over x. One more thing, the distance here is in kilometer. The speed here is in kilometer per hour. So what do you think the time here? What is the unit? What is the unit? The 100 is in kilometer. The speed is in kilometer per hour. The only thing that appear is hour. So the time taken, do you think it is in hour or in minute or in second? Got think or not? Thinking. Yixing, what should be the unit?
Hour.
Minute. Hour or minute, Yixing? Minutes. Okay. Why did you all think it's minute? If I put in the unit, 100 is in kilometer. The speed here, they give you in kilometer per hour. So the only thing that appear in this whole thing is in hour, the time.
Yep.
So definitely the time that you calculate out is actually in hour. Okay? Nobody talk about minute here. Your 100 is kilometer, your speed also never tell you anything about minute. So when we cancel the kilometer, actually this one is in hour. Okay? Hey, this point is important also. In case next time they ask you what is the time taken in minutes, then you must know you need to do some conversion. Huh? 42 are you? The rest can sit down already. You're 40, right? Similarly, now this time for Daniel, the time taken is still distance over speed. Distance is also 100. But the speed of Daniel's speed is x minus 5. 5 slower than Kelvin. So this time found is also kilometer divided by kilometer per hour. So again, the time that we should get is also in hour. Okay? In this question, it doesn't matter, but I want you all to know, when your units is like that, the kilometer cancel each other already, the only unit left is still hour. Right? That's why this one is in hour. Okay? Okay. Then they tell you the next piece of information to let you form the equation. Kelvin, too sweaty. Kelvin completes his cycling trip half an hour faster. So Kelvin is faster, so Kelvin complete earlier. Correct one ma? Correct? Okay? So write down an equation in X that represent this information. So Kelvin is faster. He came in, then he say he go and take. Adam, you say you go and take workbook. Then where is your workbook? Huh? Then suddenly your workbook appear. Hey, are you a magician or am I stupid? Adam, so just now you disappear to where? So where did you disappear to if you never go and take workbook? Then why is it different from what you tell me? Yes, Adam, I think they are correct. You say you go and take textbook, never say you go and go toilet, all this. You stand for 3 minutes at the side.
3 hours.
Don't block other people, stand a bit to the side. Okay, thank you. Okay, now think a bit. Kelvin and Daniel, the speed is different. That's why they complete in different timing. Who faster? Kelvin faster. If Kelvin faster, Kelvin take longer or take shorter? Kelvin take shorter time. So if I know the difference is half an hour, should I take Daniel time minus Kelvin time or take Kelvin time minus Daniel time? Kelvin minus Daniel. Kelvin faster. Kelvin faster will take shorter time. So which one take bigger time? Daniel take bigger time. So if I want to find their difference, I take Daniel time minus Kelvin time. Then why are you placing all these things? Why are you always finding things to do other than your math? I'm not saying cannot do these things, but these things can be done after your math lesson. Something is wrong with your time organization, your life organization. It's a bit like going to funeral, then go there, dance and take TikTok video. A bit weird, right? The things that you are doing. Okay, Naeem, following or not? Daniel slower, so Daniel took longer time. So Daniel's time is bigger. So Daniel's time is 100x minus 5. This is Daniel's time. So Daniel's time minus Kelvin's time. This is Kelvin's time. So Daniel time minus Kelvin time is half an hour, because Kelvin half an hour faster. So the difference is half. This is how I form the equation. This is how I put this piece of information into like that. Okay? This question is not easy. I still remember when I secondary school first time see this kind of question, I don't know how to do. Okay? So we have to first find the time, then the difference in the time. So after I have this, I want to show that it reduced to this. This is what we do in what we have done in the previous topic. I don't want all these denominator. That's why I need to multiply all these denominator. So the things that I need to multiply, because of the 2, I need to multiply 2. Because of the x, I need to multiply x. Because of the bracket x minus 5, I need to multiply x minus 5, the whole bracket. I want to multiply all these denominator to the right side and also to the left hand side. I want to multiply all this to the right hand side, also to the left hand side. So actually I need to multiply these 3 items to every term here. Because when I multiply to the left, I need to multiply this here, I need to multiply this here also. So the result will be, on the right hand side, the 2 cancel with the 2 when I multiply. So I'm left with x minus 5. This first term, the bracket cancel with the bracket, I am left with 100 multiply 2 multiply x. This second term, negative is still negative. The x cancel with the x. So my numerator, 100, still need to multiply 2, still need to multiply 2 point, the x minus 5. Follow? This term, after the multiplication, become this term. This term after the multiplication become this term. This term after the multiplication become this term. Then we no longer have anything in the denominator. We can start to make it simple like this. So the next step, I need to do my multiplication. X times x minus 5, x times x, x squared. X times minus 5, minus 5x. The first one, 100 times 2x. 2 times 100 is 200. So I have 200x. So you can see in an equation, the thing go downwards one. This one become this one, this one become this one. This one become this one, this one become this one. This one become this one, this one become this one. So, the second one, I multiply 2 with 100, I will have 200. 200 still need to multiply the bracket. Slowly do, never mind one. Take another step. 200x minus 200 times x. So, minus 200x. Minus 200 times negative 5. Negative, negative become positive. 5 times 100, 1000. Sorry. Here I never copy correctly. Correctly. Sorry. Wow. What is happening? Where is my eraser? Okay? Okay. I no longer have any brackets. I can go and simplify. 200x minus 200x. Cancel each other, no more x. Then I have a plus 1000 here. Okay? Then now my x squared and my minus 5x is on the right. They are already positive. So if I look at what they want me to show, my x squared is positive. So instead of moving everything to the left, it will be easier if I just bring my 1000 to this side. And when my 1000 come over this side, my x squared and minus 5x never change side. So the signs don't change. Still x squared minus 5x. Then my 1000 move here. I subtract 1000, subtract 1000. That's why it come over here become minus 1000. 200x minus 200x already become 0. Plus 1000 I move here. So now my left hand side is 0. Okay? Then I am very close to what they want me to show already. X squared minus 5x minus 1000. I also have x squared minus 5x minus 1000. Equals to 0. Equals to 0. But I want to make them look exactly the same. So I switch the place. I switch my left and my right. When I'm just switching, I don't need to change sign. I just write the right hand side on the left hand side. And write my left hand side on the right hand side. Then it is exactly what they want me to show already. X squared minus 5x minus 1000 is 100. Is 0. Then I can say shown. Same. X squared minus 5x minus 1000. Okay? Solve the equation. I don't know what number. 25 times 40. Cannot. Okay, so I also cannot think of the factorization. So cannot think of the factorization. My next step is solving. They are already arranged. X squared, x and number. I can use formula. A is 1. B is negative 5. C is negative 1000. Then use my formula. X equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then do my substitution. Negative of negative 5. Remember, substitution always put the bracket. Megan, when I turn over, then we see you using your marker, doing your book again. Minus 4ac. Minus 4, substituting a, replace it with a bracket. Substituting c, replace with a bracket. Then key this inside your calculator. Done. Thinking. This one why empty one? Hello. Hey, you all tell me come early today. Come early already, don't do anything. Yes. Then what is the use of you inside the classroom? To take up my oxygen. Hey Adam, you can sit down already, so long already. But you like standing, okay lah? Yeah.
It's kind of comfortable.
Okay, good. Okay, press your calculator. Go.
What?
Hey, this one you all must get used. Remember, press your fraction button first. Then copy exactly.
I say I want pink, then they say no more stuff. Is it black or white? What don't you like? My green is white. What? You can choose whatever. Because no one stock was only white. Or like I got two
Amani, did you get this too? Okay, so we must reject the negative answer because x is speed. So the speed cannot be negative, so we reject the negative one. Remember, x is the speed of Kelvin. So Kelvin's speed is actually 34.22. Okay? So if the speed of Kelvin is 34.22, what is the time taken? The time taken is 100 kilometer divided by 34.22. Then you can get your answer. So the time that he took was 2.922 hours.
I'm good. I'm gonna stay in school. Later.
Hey, this year no this fall to play. Want to play have to find outside.
Yeah, so sad. I wanted to play for play big blue one. You say big four can play for free.
Huh? Big blue play for free.
I know big red.
Big red.
No.
Hey, once you are able to understand everything, try number 8 on your own. Question 8 is almost the same. Try on your own. You must be able to do it on your own. Okay? I am here so that you know one time already, then after that you must be able to do on your own. Then you can refer back to here. But you must know what to do when you do question 8. Today we try to finish this, then next lesson we'll go on to chapter 3 already. SG open. Hey, if understand, try. Question 8. Go. The thinking is the same. Use the relationship between speed, distance, and time. A bit more. Question 8. Oh, you do already. Wow, very good. Go and teach Naim.